Ladies and gentlemen, I have some of the best news in the world. I didn't see a single seagull this week at all. I don't even think I saw a bird this week, except for a hummingbird. But hummingbirds are okay, because they're not jerks. So yeah, no seagulls in sight. I didn't even see a pigeon. I think I did see a bat, though. But I think it's that time of the year where seagulls disappear from school grounds, from city places. I don't even know. It was just great. I didn't have to see a single ugly, white, disgusting creature that flies into the heavens and comes down with nothing but terror and nastiness. They're gone. Maybe they all died. I don't know. If someone's watching this from the beach and you see any seagulls, let me know. Let me know if there's an abundance of seagulls over there. Because if so, it makes sense. I think I have to sneeze. Maybe. I do, but I don't. It's going away. Okay, yeah. All the seagulls are gone from here, for now at least. And it's just really, really, really good. Also, I have a proposition. So instead of pigeon hunting season, dove season, whatever it is, we should introduce seagull season. So now we can legally kill seagulls. Yeah? Yeah? No. No, probably not. Probably not. Seagulls are annoying, but we shouldn't kill them. We should just send them away to the beach where they belong. After all, they're called seagulls. So why are they even here? Trash birds. Trash. Trash birds. There's like a hair on the mic. Oh, there it goes. Oh, so some stuff this week that's happened. Nothing's really happened this week. Actually, some stuff's happened this week. Some stuff. That stuff I can't remember. Monday, I can't remember. All I know is just rehearsals, and that's all. And rehearsals. I'm gonna be going to a school dance mid-October. I got hit in the head with a rock this last Friday. I actually cut the back of my mouth open yesterday. Saw fireworks yesterday too. I went to church today. Yeah, that's how my week's been, you know? That's how it's been. I think I'm just gonna end the video here. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.